Hello students. Today we are going to study an important topic in mathematics called data interpretation, focusing on tables and graphs. This topic is very useful because it helps us understand how to read data, analyze it, or draw meaningful conclusions from it. Let us begin with the basic idea. Data interpretation means analyzing numerical data that is presented in a structured form such as tables or graphs. Instead of directly solving equations, यहाँ हमें डेटा को समझना पहले और फिर calculations perform करनी होंगी. Now, why is this topic important? It improves your analytical thinking or helps you develop speed or accuracy in calculations. In many real-life situations, data is presented in tables and graphs, so learning this skill is very practical. Let US पहले table-based data समझें. एक table is a way of organizing data into rows or columns. Each row represents a category or each column represents a specific type of information. To solve questions based on a table, you must read it carefully. Whenever you see a table, always follow these steps. First, read the headings carefully. Second, check the units, whether the data is in numbers, percentages, या thousands. Third, compare values across rows and columns. Finally, look for patterns such as increase, decrease, or constant values. Now, let us understand this with an example. We have a table showing production and sales of a company from the year 2018 to 2022. In 2018, production है 400 और sales है 320. 2019, production is 450 and sales is 360. In 2020, production 500 और sales 420 है. In 2021, production है 550 और sales है 460. In 2022, production है 600 और sales है 510. Now let us solve a question based on this table. The first question है, find the percentage increase in production from the year 2018 to the year 2020. First, we identify the production values. In 2018, production है 400 और 2020 में ये 500 हैं. The increase is 500 minus 400, which is 100. Now, to find the percentage increase, we divide the increase by the original value and multiply by 100. So, 100 divided by 400 multiplied by 100 gives 25%. Therefore, the production increased by 25%. Now let us move to the next question. Find the year in which the difference between production or sales is maximum. We calculate the difference for each year. In 2018 में difference 80 है. In 2019, it is 90. In 2020, it is 80. In 2021, it is 90. In 2022, it is 90. The maximum difference is 90, which occurs in the years 2019, 2021, or 2022. Now, the third question is to find the average sales over all the given years. We first add all the sales values. 336 plus 360 plus 420 plus 460 plus 510 gives 2070. Now, we divide this total by the number of years, which is 5. So, 2070 divided by 5 gives 414. Therefore, the average sales is 414. Now, let us move to graph-based data, specifically bar graphs. एक bar graph represents data using rectangular bars. The height of each bar shows the value of the data. Bar graphs are very useful for comparison between different categories. When you read a bar graph, always check the axis labels first. Then understand the scale, which tells you what each unit represents. After that, compare the heights of the bars or identify which is highest and which is lowest. Let us consider an example. We are given the profit of 4 companies. Company A को profit of 50, Company B has 80, Company C has 60 or Company D has 100. Now, let us solve a question based on this data. Which company किसका सबसे अधिक profit है और क्या अंतर है सबसे अधिक और सबसे कम profit में? First, we identify the highest value. Company D का सबसे अधिक profit है 100 रुपये. The lowest value है Company A 50. दोनों के बीच का अंतर 100 - 50 यानी 50 है. So Company D has the highest profit and the difference between the highest and lowest profit is 50. Before we end, let us go through some important tips. Always read the data carefully. Do not rush. Check the units properly, क्योंकि sometimes values are given in thousands or percentages. Use simple calculation methods से समय बचाएं. Avoid unnecessary calculations or focus on what is asked in the question. Also, practice is very important in this topic. The more you practice, the faster or more accurate you will become. To summarize, data interpretation is all about understanding the data first and then applying the correct method to solve questions. Whether it is a table or a graph, your focus should be on clarity, accuracy, or speed. Thank you, students. Jai Hind.